Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Claude AI account. This process is beginner friendly, and you don't need any technical experience to get started. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Claude website by typing Claude.ai into the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll be taken to the main sign-up page, where the account creation process is very straightforward. Make sure you're visiting the correct official website before entering any personal information. At this point, you'll usually see two main options for getting started. The first option is to enter your email address to create a new account manually. If you choose this method, simply type your email into the field provided and continue to the next part of the sign-up process. It's a good idea to use an email address you can access immediately because you may need it for verification or account recovery later. This is a good option if you prefer using a separate login specifically for this platform. It can also be helpful if you want to keep your Claude account separate from your Google account or use a dedicated email for AI tools. The second option is to continue with your Google account. This can be faster and more convenient, especially if you want to skip the extra steps of confirming your email address and creating a separate password. Using Google Sign In can also make it easier to access Claude later without remembering another set of login details. If you select Google Sign In, just choose the account you want to use and follow the on-screen prompts to approve access and continue. Before confirming, check that you've selected the correct Google account, especially if you're signed in to several personal, school, or work accounts in the same browser. After that, the site may ask you to select a few options as part of setting up your account. These prompts can vary slightly, but in general, just read each screen carefully and choose the option that best matches your needs. Then continue through the account creation process by following the instructions shown on the page. You may be asked about how you plan to use Claude or to review certain account terms before continuing. If you're using email sign-up instead of Google, this is also the stage where you may be asked to verify your email or finish setting your login details. Open your email inbox, look for the verification message, and follow the instructions inside it. If you don't see the message, check your spam or junk folder as well. Take your time during this part and make sure the information you enter is correct. That helps avoid login issues later and makes the process smoother overall. In particular, double-check your email spelling and store your login information securely so you can easily access the account again. Also, if a confirmation message doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to load before clicking again, since some sign-up pages can take a few seconds to respond. Repeatedly clicking the same button may create confusion, so wait briefly and check whether the next page opens before trying again. Once you complete the setup steps, your Claude AI account will be ready to use. From there, you can start exploring the platform and using its features right away. For example, you can ask questions, summarize information, brainstorm ideas, draft content, study new topics, or get help organizing a project. And that's it. As you can see, creating a Claude AI account is quick and simple, whether you choose to sign up with your email address or continue with Google. If you follow the prompts on the screen carefully, you should be able to finish the process in just a few minutes. Once you're signed in, you can start a new chat and begin exploring what Claude AI can help you accomplish.